So hello, um, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can use Facebook to reach your target audience. This is one of my Facebook accounts which I've been using to run Facebook ads over the months. So I'm going to show you some of my page that I've built, and this is one of them. One is Oliver, Levi. The other one is Kabuli. So all you have to do now is click on Oliver, then it opens up. This is the page, and I've got some good amount of topic in it. So this is an ad I am already running. It's on right now, and it has reached almost 3,000 people. So is I boosted it in a way that people can send me WhatsApp messages without having to do much comments and all of that. So they just go through the WhatsApp link and instantly send me message without stress and without me struggling to reply them on comment sections and all of that. So let me open it up and show you what the ad has in it. So as you're seeing it right now, this is exactly how it will appear on your screen. If you're on Facebook and you're interested in knowing how to get traffic to maybe your physical product or your online product, so this is how the ad is going to look like. This image right here is going to come out, and you're going to be seeing things like this WhatsApp option and the comment section and all of that. So now let me open up the ad so you can understand what Facebook is looking for and what kind of content that you should have boosted on your Facebook ad account. This way you will avoid being blocked or having your account suspended by Facebook and all of that. So here is my ad and my ad copy. It says, let me show you how to drive traffic from Google Ads to your online business. The headline alone catches attention. It makes you wonder, what is this that this ad is talking about? Let me open it up and see. So once you click on it and you open it up, then you get to see the remaining text that are below, which says, are you experiencing traffic issues which has led to little or no leads and sales in your business? And then the ad continues. Then enrolling into this PPC traffic workshop is what you need right now. And you are like, okay, this is exactly what I need in my business. It somehow relates to you. It's something that you really, within you that you need some form of traffic. You need some form of eye to see what you're selling, and having, seeing something like this, it tickles you, it gets your attention, and you on your own would like to take action even without being, forced to or being begged to do so. So the ad continues, and then I wrote this particular page myself. It explains a few things about how my business went from 0 to 0 and all of that, and it continues, and it just shows you a lot on how you can write an ad copy that will attract people to come over to you and ask, I'm interested, and here below is my WhatsApp link that people get to me directly without any issues at all. So once you have something like this up here running as an ad, you will not have any issues with Google and with Facebook. Facebook actually has this policy against people making ads about making money online, make money quick, all these investment platforms, crypto, work from home, stuff like this. I mean, Facebook really don't like seeing them at all. So you try as much as possible to avoid having such words mentioned in your ad. Just keep it simple. Keep it tell some kind of story. You know, let it just be that this is something that will really help people without you promising them any form of money and all of that. So now let's go back to why you're here, which is to learn how you can place your own ad. So let me use a particular post, another post that has almost the same write up. So it's also one of is a copy from the other ad that is running. So let's try and boost this particular post right now. Here, it also has my WhatsApp link up here, and so we are going to be boosting this ad right now. So this particular one, so we'll go to this boost option right here, and we'll click boost. So I'm trying to boost this particular post, and you see there are so many options, which is the goal. So in this goal option, you have automatic, you have get more engagement, you have get more messages, and you have get more calls. When you look at these options, you find that yeah, maybe so there are options here. You have the automatic, you have get more engagement, you have get more messages, get more calls. So now you have to choose. But I would never ever recommend you allowing Facebook to select your goals for you, which is this automatic one. This one doesn't work. It doesn't benefit you in any way. So assuming you're someone that is trying to grow your Facebook page, you can go for get more engagement. That one, it will really help boost your Facebook page and get people to notice you, get people to like your page and engage and comment and share and all of that. But if you're looking to make money from people by selling your product, then I would recommend you go for get more messages, which is this very one here. So once you click on get more messages, you scroll down a bit and you see the options. Just leave this special ad category. This is for ads about credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, or politics. You're not running an ad for politics and all of that. So, except you're maybe into real estate, you can click on this one and follow it up and see how the rules and regulations apply to this particular category of ad. So here is another option for your messaging apps. Here is where you tell Facebook where people should contact you. So normally I recommend you use Facebook, but at the same time I would also recommend that for something Facebook calls demographic targeting, I would also recommend that you click on this messenger. This way you'll be able to get the behaviors, the likes and dislikes and behaviors of your target audience. This way you will understand what I'm saying once I get to that point. So once you've clicked on this messenger, you click down and you see some kind of welcome message. You see some welcome message and all of that. You can edit them if you want. If you do not want, just leave them there. So here is where we'll be creating our target options, which are of the audience. Here is the audience, and we are going to. This is where the work is, and this is where you get to target the kind of people that you need. You need to sell to. So targeting these people the right way, targeting these people and understanding what they need is all that you need. So right now let's go over to create new audience. Here you see there's see all these are the target I've made over the months, over the weeks, and here you get an option to create new one. So let me show you exactly what you have to do if you're new and you've never run an ad before, or you've run an ad before but you didn't do it the right way. So here is how you target these people so that you get the quality traffic that you need. So let's go to create new. Create new. Now you have to give this audience a name.